So I'm back with another hair tutorial, and as you guys can see, I'm using my red toe comb to make a curved part on the side of my head, and I am starting off on stretched natural hair. I had cornrows in my hair and I just took them out, and this is how my hair is looking. So I'm just gonna coat my hair with some olive oil and then take this Conair Lift Me comb to kind of like push my hair in the direction that I want it to go, if you know what I mean. And then I'm gonna take the Pro Style brown gel, put it on my brush, and lay my hair down. As you guys can see, I went with the part because I wanted to get a little swoop effect or whatever. In my opinion, this is probably like the best gel to use for like buns, especially if you want your hair to lay down. Now, if you don't want your hair to lay down, I don't know what to tell you, but this is the best to lay your natural hair down. But as you guys can see, I'm gathering all of my hair and I'm just going to put it in a ponytail. Now, I did use a generous amount of gel, as you guys seen, because I'm going to be outside and stuff and it's hot. And I don't want my hair flying up and frizzing up because that's not what I'm going for. I'm going for a super sleek look. Decided to take the black Got To Be Glued gel and apply some of that on top, and y'all, the results are bomb. Like, I definitely will be using this method again because this had my hair laying down so good, y'all. Like, oh my gosh. And I'm just basically brushing that in, and then once I'm done doing that, I'm going to apply my scarf. And I did sleep with this bun in overnight because I wanted my hair to be super sleek. Y'all know how I do. Y'all know how I do. We do the overnight over here. So it's the next day, and look at my hair, y'all. But I'm just getting my baby hairs together because I didn't really lay those down, and I am using the Pro gel. But look how sleek and slick my hair is. Like, bomb, 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 bomb. The hair that I'm using is the Kinky Curly Wefted hair from DYHAIR777. You guys know I did a bun tutorial using the same exact hair, and I'm going to be using one bundle. So yeah, I'm going to be using that with the bobby pins. And so I'm just pinning the one bundle into my head and I'm going to wrap it around, but you can use whatever hair of your choice to achieve this look. But this is just the hair that I am using. I really like their kinky curly bundles. They're really popping and bomb, and you guys really like those bun styles, so I was like, well, let me do a sleek ponytail for them and show them how it would look with the hair. So you can definitely do more with your bundles than just making a wig. You can do a ponytail. So I'm just taking some of the hair and wrapping it around the track so that it is covered, and then I'm going to pin that into place. And then next I'm going to take my paddle brush and fluff out the hair to make a ponytail a bit bigger. You can add more bundles, but I only want to do one bundle because I didn't want my hair to be way down. And then I just sprayed some oil sheen on my hair for extra shine. Alright, and here is the finished look. If you guys are unaware, I do have it undercut, but I just really like this low ponytail. This is going to be my favorite summer hairstyle. But make sure you guys check out DY Hair